Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you will get more understanding in DAX and Power BI and also SQL Server development, performance tuning, and also SSIS. Now I will go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report, so I'm gonna explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report under. Just click on fields. Now you can see that category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Go to the model, just click on here, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on this product key, I have enabled the relationship between the product table and internet sales table. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that filter of propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship between the product table and internet sales. Okay, we'll try to speak more on upcoming sessions about all the options that are available in the relationship. For timing, I'll try to focus on today's report only. Just click on report. So now we can see that, so these are the card visuals. So this is the slicer. So what I have done here is, so sometimes customers want the slicer will be like that year month. Okay, so usually we have the slicer like year and also month, but so there is some cases we want the slicer like this also, so year month wise. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just capturing the whatever the month year we have selected. Based on that, I'm displaying the selected month year sales and also next month and also previous month. Okay, for example, in this case I am selecting July 2002, so I am displaying the same thing, July 2002 sales. Along with that, I am displaying the next month of the July. Okay, what is the next month of July? August 2002 sales and also previous month. So for the selected month of July, so what is the previous month? June 2002 sales also I'm displaying. Okay, so we can get the sales so very easily, but so displaying the, so what are the month we have selected, I'm also displaying. Okay, so this is the July 2002, this is the August 2002, this is the June 2000 I'm displaying. So it works dynamically. Now we'll try to do something demo. For example, I'll try to select December 2001. Now it is showing December 2001. So next month is January 2002 sales. So this one is previous month 2001. So you can select anything, so it works. So you can select, for example, even if you select December also, January also, you can select anything. So for example, in this case I have selected January 2003. So this is the sales. What is the next month? February 2003. So this is December 2002 sales, because for this, what is the previous month? December 2002. For this, what is the next month? February 2003. So likewise, I'm displaying the results very dynamically. We can select any month, so January, December. Okay, so there are some cases client want the slice like this. In that case, if you want to find the selected month sales and also previous month, next month, we can find any kind of month, +2 months or -2 months, any months. And also, so displaying titles also, we need to display titles also, which month we have selected, what is the previous month, what is the next month. Like that we have designed the report. I'll try to show the what kind of expressions I have used to design this report under. Okay, go to the demo measures. So okay, so if you see here, July 2001, Why it's showing blank? Okay, why it is showing blank? So basically, so we have the sales starting from the July month onward. Okay, July month onwards only we have the sales. So what is the July month? Previous month for July? June. So there is no sales for the June, so that is the reason we have the blank. So for example, even if we select July 2004, we'll get the blank, because in 2004 we have the sales up to July 2004 only. There is no sales for August month, so that is the reason we are getting the blank value. Okay, so now I'll try to show some measures. So current month, it's very straightforward, so I'll try to zoom it. So I have used the calculate sum x function to get the current month. I mean to say that selected month. So for getting the previous month, so here I have used the selected value function. After that I'm just subtracting only year and month. So here if the month value is 12 means, so December means 0, otherwise whatever the month we have selected. So if the year value is, and also here one more value. Okay, so this is the month value, this is the year value. Okay, based on that I'm just calculating. Okay, so finally I'm returning, so all our variables I have declared, and finally I'm returning by using calculate sum x function, and finally using the filter. So whatever the month we have selected, based on that we are so giving the result. Okay, this is the previous month. So if you want to find the next month, so okay, last month sales. So similar logic, only just these differences. Okay, only these differences. Here I'm subtracting, so in this case I'm just doing the addition plus, but in this case I'm doing the minus, because we want to go for the so previous month. See, minus. So just a small logic only. For getting the titles, I did some doing the switch function inside the concatenate x function. So I'm doing I will try to show one. So next month sales. So here I have done some validation. So based on that, by using concatenate switch function, it is giving the title correctly. So for all these and all. So I hope you like this video. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel, stay tuned for our videos. Thank you so much for watching.